Welcome to the MyGuru online GMAT classroom. My name is Stefan and I am MyGuru's director for online instruction. Today we're going to take a look at a sample sentence correction from the GMAT official guide 2019 diagnostic exam in the front of the book. As always, we're going to set up our scratch pad with the question first, then the answer choices, and a line over top of the choices whereby we can place the error if we identify it. And we see that there is a rather obvious 2-3 split here between indicate and indicates. And we probably are going to be able to determine pretty quickly whether we should be using the singular verb indicates or the plural verb indicate. So in this case, we look to the subject in the non-underlined portion, and the subject here is the discovery of inscribed shards, which is going to be singular. The trap is that the discovery is of the plural shards, but if you pay attention to the sentence, you can determine that the discovery is singular, so therefore we can eliminate choices A and B for subject-verb errors, and we could just label out as our error here, subject, verb, and the issue is singular versus plural. So we've identified that issue, and then we remember that we always want to evaluate the category of error and not just the individual error of indicate versus indicates. Now, if we go into the answer choices, we discover that there are some inserted pronouns a couple of times in choices C and D. And in this case, their development of a Harappan writing system makes it sound like the shards are developing the Harappan writing system or the excavators. And either way, that's just literally absurd. Back through the sentence using choice E, we find that excavators at the Indus Valley site of Harappa in eastern Pakistan say the discovery of inscribed shards dating to circa 2800 to 2600 BC indicates that the development of a Harappan writing system, the use of inscribed seals impressed into clay for marking ownership, and the standardization of weights for trade or taxation occurred many decades, if not centuries earlier than was previously believed. That articulates the intended meaning. And remember that we always want to use the non-underlined portion of the sentence as the answer key to match to the underline option.